Hi everyone, just going to make this quick video to show you how to alter a Reborn doll's body. I have this doll body still waiting on a head at the moment. When you turn it around, you'll notice that the body, or the poor bottom, is a bit misshapen. For some reason the designer of this one has made it very square. So I just want to show you can actually alter it with a quick stitch to give it the correct shape. So what you can do, you can just push the fabric in like that, pin it with a few pins, and then you can run a stitch. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, as you see, I've added the 3 pins and already it's got a better shape like this one. Now I'll just run a stitch just with needle and thread and we'll show the results at the end. So you can do like a running stitch along the top, so just, sorry, awkwardness, stitch in the bottom, pull it through, stitch in the top, and then that way when you pull it tight you won't actually see the threads. That's an invisible join. And just like that, your doll has a better shaped butt. So yeah guys, easy enough to do, don't be scared off by misshapeness. You can also do the same if your doll's too long. If your doll's too long, you can always gather up the excess fabric, pin it all the way around and do that running stitch along. That'll make your body longer, make your body shorter. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully you've learnt something. Check out my Facebook page for Reborn dolls and accessory items.